Okay, I've tried out this Trek FX Plus 1 7S in the past, and I just loved it. So I thought, on my way home, let me stop by the Trek here in Georgetown, near the university, and just kind of give it another go. And also I got this great helmet while I was here, this Trek Bontrager Wavestyle helmet, which is super comfortable. I've been using a Lumos and a Unit 1, and I find this one to be way, way more comfortable. So the components on this bike are just bullseye, everything from the brakes to the way that it shifts, the way that it rides, the comfort, the seat. It's got a really nice seat on it. There's only one upgrade that I would strongly recommend on this one, and that would be like a good suspension seat post. Not a janky one, but personally I've had really good luck with Redshift. I think a Redshift seat post on this bike would be a terrific upgrade. Okay, this is my maiden voyage on this Redshift shock stop suspension seat post. I had intended to test it earlier, but ironically, the day I was going to test it out, my back went out. And that's part of the reason I want it. Why? Because I'm officially old and everything hurts. So that was one of the reasons I wanted to test out. I've been eyeballing this on their website. They make some good looking stuff. Again, the brakes, excellent. Going to upshift right there, downshift right there. It's got a nice clean display on the top tube. It handles well. Everything about this bike brakes well. The components that they put on here are, they're all high quality. With a lot of the direct-to-consumer bikes, one thing you bump into with those, they'll have a couple of good brand name components on there, and then the rest of it is just not so good, in varying degrees. Some of it they'll have like Tektro brakes, but then the rest of the bike will be like the crap, quite honestly. But this, being a legacy brand bike, it's got all these like legit, Bontrager parts, 50 years in the making. This is a really good bike. And some of the direct-to-consumer brands like the Aventons and the Vlotrix, the prices have been coming up a little bit. And one thing that you'll find on these is the ability to test ride them and to have mechanics and have a store to go to. It means a lot, it's really helpful. And the bike ride's great. If you don't believe me, head down to your local Trek store and test ride one. If you want to test ride or ride one up, you kind of can't. Unless, you're in San Diego, which you can there, which is really nice. And they have nice bikes, but they just don't have the baked in convenience. They don't have like this full staff of people. They don't have 50 years of building great bikes to fall back on. It's just a whole different experience.
This is a torque key, so once I go past...
Oh, it's Bontrager's version. Okay.
So once I get...
Click.
Yeah, it just goes to a certain...